Okay, this one will be really quick. I think this will be quick. So I've been doing something interesting. If we go to classroom, and don't worry, I haven't forgotten my commitment to go upstairs and see my daughter. A fig bar and a TV will hold her for about 25 minutes. But for how to land a job, I've actually been tracking how I'm trying to land a job right now in Chicago. So I exited from J&J after 10 years. I did full go entrepreneurship in Tokyo for 6 months, building my own business, having challenges with revenue not crossing over our burn rate because we pulled a pretty substantial personal loan to stay in Japan and keep our kids in school. And we're resetting in Chicago. So right now we're with the in-laws, and I'm looking for global leadership roles within medtech, and things are tracking very, very well because I'm doing some interesting things with how I'm applying leveraging video portfolios as opposed to just pure resume. So I'm doing a heavy networking approach with storytelling, and how to land a job is literally me documenting that process for you. So if I go into my YouTube, let's pull back the curtain on YouTube for a minute. Studio. I'm doing it this way because I haven't built this class for you yet. I'm doing it live. That's a reference. So if we go to my videos, you'll see this thumbnail. It all looks the same, right? This is very similar to the virtual portfolio that you will see under the About page, the second video. Very similar, where there's actual animations of my whole career filling in. This was done to help me secure a job because I needed individuals to understand the nuance of how I directed innovation in Japan as I look for director opportunities in Chicago. So I made this animated story. But what I did, which is really interesting, and that's why I wanted to highlight the wall of these, is I made all the meat, the 15 minutes, incredibly scripted, focused, animated, super cool. I'll equip you all on how to do that in some capacity. But then the front 1 minute, 30-second hook is contextualized and re-scripted based on the job and who I'm sending it to, whether it's someone in a network, a follow-up to an interview. And then it also builds off of a contextualized cover letter. So what I've been storing for all of you, if we explore my lovely folder structure as friends and family, what the heck? Come. Oh my God. All right, so if we go to OBS wide recordings, family frenzy, DaVinci edits, welcome to my world, working projects, school, how to land a job, killer portfolio. I have every single video application that I've had made. So you can watch every video. These are unlisted, but members of my community can watch it. And then I have a tracker. If we go to documents, this is so funny, Joe. I need to go through my J&J transfer when I moved everything from J&J to personal development to development plans 2024. And then I have all of these cover letters, right, of every job I've applied to. And then I have a job hunting template, and I'm going to share all of this with you. And it's going to be packaged in a course. And it goes through every job I'm looking at, the compensation range, the date it was posted, how many applicants, comments about it, if I submitted an application, if I had DM'd a member of the hiring team, interview outputs, and eventually acceptance and job description. And I'm going to share what I get paid. I'm going to show you exactly how I got the job. And the virtual portfolio came out of a job at Baxter for program manager, where the interview process went very, very well, and at the last minute they killed it. But I made this virtual portfolio to help them understand this is what I could do within your organization. And then I've been repartitioning it for multiple AbbVie opportunities, and I have very strong network engagement going on there. But then I just got internally referred at Baxter, which is crazy. So you'll be able to see exactly what I did so that you can land your own job a different way. Because my goal is to apply to as few jobs as possible. I've applied to 13 jobs thus far. Whereas I've had people tell me they've applied to 200 or 300 jobs because everyone's using ChatGPT to optimize their resumes. all the recruiters using ChatGPT to filter through resumes based on keywords. My resume is apparently ranked as 3 stars out of 5 within AbbVie's system because I've been able to network with the head of talent acquisition, APAC, and he checked on all my applications and was like, well, this is where you are in the system. But then when he watched the virtual portfolio, he's like, but this is everything I'm doing to push you in the system further. So there's going to be some fun secret sauce here. That's what I'm saying with how to land a job. I haven't built it yet because I have to build how to say goodbye. I'm almost done with that. If we go to how to land a job, there's nothing here, but I know where we're going and it's going to be good. So let's get our dopamine friends. You're going to love that one. Go to Dead Brain, making good progress, how to land a job, and dopamine. All right, see you on the next one.